I'm Brandon with Streamlight, and today we're going to be installing the TL Racker on the Mossberg 500 series shotgun. And as with all shotgun and firearm maintenance, please make sure that your weapon is safe and unloaded. As by the chamber flag on this shotgun, you can see that this weapon has been cleared and is clear for maintenance. But first, we'll start with removing the barrel from the shotgun. Unscrew the barrel retaining nut. And pull straight out to remove the barrel. And with the forearm about halfway up the mag tube, you'll need to remove the forearm retaining nut, and for that you'll need a specialty tool, like a banner wrench, and remove the forend retaining nut. Pull the forend straight off the action tube and put the TL Racker on in its place, ensuring that the Racker is seated firmly all the way against the action bars on the forearm. Replace the forearm retaining nut. Be careful not to cross thread because the threads are very fine. And no need to over torque the forearm retaining nut. Just snug it up. Look between the halves of the TL Racker. You'll see some threads showing at the bottom of the retaining nut. At this point, ensuring that you've got the Racker about halfway up the action tube, we'll replace the barrel. Tighten down the barrel retaining nut. And lock the action. The light is installed.